gunshot firing.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Enjoy. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and turn on post notification. Alright, let's get right into it. So guys, according to Linda Ikeju's blog, the gunshot you just heard now rang out in Imo State House of Assembly over suspension of lawmakers. The gunshots were fired at the Imo State House of Assembly on Thursday, that is today, July 8th, after 6 lawmakers of the House were suspended. The Speaker, Paul Emezim, who announced the suspension of the lawmakers at the floor of the House, said that the decision was based on the lawmakers conducting themselves in an unparliamentary manner. Following the suspensions, the gunshots were heard in the House, and this resulted in the lawmakers and workers running for safety. The gunshots were said to have been fired by the security operative as some of the suspended lawmakers stormed the chambers to protest against their suspension. Among the suspended lawmakers, 4 were members of the All Progressive Congress (APC), and the others are members of PDP, People's Democratic Party. Watch the full clip.
This is gunshot firing everywhere in the Imo State House of Assembly right now over the suspension of 5 honorable members by the Speaker of the House. There are sporadic gunshots right now at the Imo State House of Assembly, and people are scampering for their lives.
With this, you will know. I didn't send myself here. God sent me. And what God has done, you cannot undo. Today is the end of your reign.
Colleagues are scampering for their own lives. They have left the complex right now. Sporadic gunshots everywhere. See the House of Assembly full of talks, full of touts. The Imo State House of Assembly, the night house led by Paul Emezim.
He has been bundled out by talks.
He has been bundled out by talks.
He arranged for this.
He arranged for this particular sitting, bundled out by talks.